So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about strategy. You guys can see already that we do have a price prediction here on our chart, to which we've been looking for the market to go down, and it went a lot lower than what we anticipated when we did our price prediction in mid-October. But even then, we saw that the market was weak. Everyone else is questioning Bitcoin. Everyone is questioning, strategy, and all these other companies trying to add Bitcoin to the treasury. The market told us a long time ago that this stock was weak. So I'm not surprised to see the market and strategy all the way down there around 170. I'm going to try to figure out, though, if this stock is going to continue to go lower, because right now this is definitely not a market that is bullish. This is a market to where people are trying to get about the way because they don't like what's coming down the road. They can see. And many people who are involved in this stock is seeing, maybe it might even be Michael Saylor. This dude like, dang, I bought too much Bitcoin and is impacting the value of my company and my stock. We might need to sell some of our Bitcoin. Now, one of the good things as I zoomed out the chart is that we're coming to an area to where there's enough business, enough market to where MicroStrategy may begin to, strategy may begin to just consolidate for a while, which will be good to see and might rejuvenate, gain more buyers to where the market will begin to go up. So we're going to try to talk about that real quick. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here first. You guys can see from October 13th to November 6th, 23.47% was there. If you guys held on, the market in strategy B came all the way down to this very bottom of our buy pocket, 39.71%. So kudos to you if you was able to ride that market that low. Now we're going to get rid of these buy pockets into the market for strategy, and we need to create new ones. We need to create sell pockets, so whenever price do go up, understandably, they have been mines laid in the ground on the chart to where sellers would be. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that throughout the day. On the daily chart, look at how many sales was hit in the market and strategy. Sell. Like, you rarely see something like this. This is a cause of concern when you see a market just almost every day go down. Every day. Something's not right. The market is telling us something's not right. And let me show you this. The volume in strategy has been on the increase in the last 3 days. So like I told you, zooming out, we might be at a point where we might begin to see some consolidation. Okay, so let's go ahead and create. Let's see if we can do it on the 11-hour chart real quick. All right. So let's go ahead and create a sell pocket there. Let's see. Let's create one here. Let's create one here. Okay, now this bar right here tells me that these buyers may be now entering the market. The reason why is because the volume is high and the market closed higher than it opened. Okay, it closed off of the lows. So definitely we need to begin to pay attention. We might get a small move to the upside in the strategy over the next couple of days. Let's look at this on the 2. You can see even on the 2 that we did see a sell signal already again on the 2. Here it is on the 3. Sell. All right, so right now we need to get more of that information of buyers entering the market. That's going to be the gist of this video, is to see when that's going to happen, because these bars is just completely sell. Weak sell. Nothing on these charts is reflecting that this stock is a buy. I'm just going to keep it real, keep it a buck. If that's what it's showing, that's what we're going to say. Here it is on the weekly chart in MicroStrategy or strategy. Excuse me, I keep saying micro, but sell. You rarely see our signals trigger on the long-term charts, and when you do, you definitely need to begin to pay attention, and we're getting the sales hidden. Okay, so I'm really focused on the market and strategy, try to come to this area here. Ooh, even on the 2 weeks, another sell signal. So I don't know. This market is definitely looking pretty bearish in strategy. Now, the crazy part is that while people were drumming up Bitcoin, making all-time highs back in July, August, September timeframe. Somebody else knew something else right there. This is where it started. This is where potentially Microstrategy knew, hold on, we might bought too much Bitcoin. And now it's coming down. That's it on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5 and the monthly chart. Definitely looks weak. So, I mean, let's try to see if we can create some pockets of buying in anticipation of where we want the price to try to bounce. Okay. So here it is right there. So we can create a pocket of buying right here for strategy. This is on an 11-hour chart for those who want to know. Let's create another one here. And here's probably the biggest one. All right, so let's go back to the daily chart and see where we're at. Okay, so if we were to put on a prediction for strategy to go lower, it could go down another almost 8% on the first buy pocket, 25% on the second, and like 40% on the third. All right, so here it is on the 5-hour chart. Let's look at this. Let me show you something like on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so you can see right here that we haven't really received the confirmation, the agreement of market participants becoming buyers yet. And the reason how you can tell is because when the market and strategy went up in the beginning of trading on this 5-minute chart, it reacted and came back down. And so the next move up, it didn't even go as high as 180 again like it did when the market first opened. It stopped. It tells you that this market is being more funneled by sellers or moved by sellers. Price went down even when it went back up again the third time. It didn't even get higher than the prior highs. That tells you that this market is not yet a buy. Okay. And this is what it looked like on a minute chart. Okay, so we do receive with our indicators signals throughout the day, even on multiple time frames. We could get these signals pop. So here it is on the 1-hour chart. I just want to show you that the reason why we're not anticipating that the market and strategy is about to go higher is because we really haven't seen the market break through this area right here. There's some sellers right there, y'all. So if you're looking for the stock to go higher, definitely keep your eyes open on its pocket, because these are where the sellers are at. These are the people that's willing to knock you out your position if you're looking for the stock to go up. And right here on the 1 hour, this is where the buyers are buying, right down here. Okay, so on an hour intraday basis, this is where you need to be paying attention. This is where the market is drawn between sellers and buyers. Whichever one of these break will probably be the easiest way price is going to go. So I would say like Monday, Tuesday next week, definitely see which direction price is drawn towards and see if it's able to break it. But yeah, we're not going to do a prediction today, but I do recognize that someone is trying to hold this market now. It might even be Michael. He might be out here trying to support this stock because he sees that it's making him look crazy with how much value this stock has lost. So like since beginning of October, look at this. This is how much value this stock has lost. 53% from October to now. 53%. If you would have shorted that, man, you done made a lot of money. So we'll just leave it right here for the moment. It needs to wash this out. That's what we need. That's what we're pretty much waiting for, is for the market to wash this out. People are definitely sitting on one side right now. When you see a market from mid-October, beginning October to now, fall 50-something%, that tells you that everybody's leaning more towards the sell side than they are buyers right now. So with these buy pockets created down here at the bottom, this is where we're suspecting the market to try to at least create or begin to create a opportunity to see the stock go back up in value. So we'll just put this on ice, let the market do what it got to do. We'll come back and hopefully we'll be able to drop another idea of looking for the stock to go up, because right now I'm just looking for it to continue to go lower. We haven't seen anything yet to substantiate that we're about to switch yet. It might happen Monday, it might happen Tuesday, but we'll see. Let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.